In 1815, Mount Tambora erupted in Indonesia, causing a global climate anomaly known as the Year Without a Summer. In Europe, snow fell in June and crops failed, leading to widespread famine. Amidst this chaos, Mary Shelley, vacationing in Switzerland, was inspired by the gloomy weather to write Frankenstein. Could a volcanic eruption really spark a literary masterpiece? This whirlpool of thoughts born from ash and despair forever changed literature. The eruption's impact on climate and culture is a reminder of nature's unpredictable power. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.